Another day, another story. Intro. Hello and welcome to as IT Care tutorial on how to install Windows 11. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step process of installing Windows 11 on your PC. Step 1. Check your PC compatibility. The first thing you need to do is check if your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Microsoft has raised the bar for hardware specifications, and not all computers will be able to run Windows 11. To check your PC compatibility, you can use the PC Health Check app provided by Microsoft. Step 2. Create a Windows 11 installation media. Once you have confirmed that your PC is compatible with Windows 11, the next step is to create a bootable USB drive or DVD with the Windows 11 installation files. To do this, you will need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space and the Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. You can download the Media Creation Tool from Microsoft's official website. Step 3. Boot your PC from the installation media. Now that you have created the Windows 11 installation media, it's time to boot your PC from it. To do this, you need to restart your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Look for the boot options and select the USB or DVD drive as the primary boot device. Step 4. Install Windows 11. After booting your PC from the installation media, you will see the Windows 11 setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to select the language, time zone, and other settings. Then, click on the Install Now button to start the installation process. Next, you will be prompted to enter the product key. If you have a valid product key, enter it. Otherwise, you can skip this step and activate Windows 11 later. Then, select the version of Windows 11 that you want to install and accept the license terms. Choose the custom installation option, which will allow you to select the hard drive or partition where you want to install Windows 11. Select the drive or partition and click on the next button to start the installation process. Windows 11 will now be installed on your PC. Step 5. Complete the installation. Once the installation process is complete, you will be prompted to set up your PC. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your user account, password, and other settings. After the setup is complete, you will see the Windows 11 desktop. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Windows 11 on your PC. Conclusion. That's it for this tutorial on how to install Windows 11. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.